Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin Tezos. Tezos is currently trading for $1.9. How high can it go in this relief rally right now? We're having a rally in the altcoin market. Altcoins have been pumping the last 1 week. Even in the last 1 month, altcoins have been going to the moon. Should we start buying Tezos right now? In this video, we're taking a look at Tezos' performance against Ethereum, Tezos' performance against Bitcoin, and then we'll take a look at Tezos' market cap. Currently, it's at $1.7 billion. Are we going to set new all-time highs in the bear market? Guys, in the last 1 year, Tezos has gone as low as $1.2 and as high as $9.1. Where is Tezos going to face significant resistance in our quest to see new all-time highs? And can we even see new all-time highs in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading, investing, or holding cryptocurrencies for the long haul, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, in the last 1 year, Tezos is down 44.5%, but in the last 1 month, it's up 21.6%. In the last 1 week, it's up 7.9%. The altcoin market has been rallying really hard. We have been seeing altcoins pumping to the moon in this relief rally. Is the relief rally over right now? Can we still accumulate some of these altcoins so that we can get some gains before the rally is over? This is the Tezos US dollar price chart from 2017 till 2022. We have over 5 years worth of price history for Tezos. We have seen how Tezos has behaved in a bull run, in a bear market, in another bull run, and right now Tezos is in another bear market. The all-time high for Tezos came in right here in December 2017. It was trading above $11. Since then, it has gone as low as $0.3. In the 2021 bull run, we saw Tezos rise from that $0.3 to as high as $8.7. That's a 2,700% increase in over 1,000 days. But with every huge pumps in crypto, there's always a huge dump lying around the corner, and that's exactly what has happened to Tezos, because Tezos has lost over 85% of its value in this bear market. Now, in the previous bear market, how many percent did Tezos drop from the all-time high? You can see Tezos was trading for around $12 right here in 2017. It dropped to as low as 0.3. That was a 97.5% dump in approximately 1 year. Altcoins are very, very risky in the bear market. They can dump to the downside really well in the bear market, but in the bull run, they come back and recover all those losses. Some of them go on to set new all-time highs. It just happened that Tezos was not fortunate enough to set new all-time highs in the last bull run we had. Maybe, just maybe, we'll see an all-time high in the next bull run. Right now, we have to ask ourselves, where will Tezos find significant resistance as we're pumping to the upside? If we're going to set a new all-time high in the bear market, when can we set that all-time high? The top for Tezos in this cycle came in here on the 4th of May 2021. Tezos got to as high as $8.4. Then we had a mini bear market in the crypto market from May to July 2021. The market was dumping really hard. In that time, Tezos lost more than 50% of its value. Just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum, just like the rest of altcoin market, Tezos dropped more than 76% from that $8.4 region it was in 2021. It rallied back to $8.7 in the summer of 2021. We thought we were going to set new all-time highs for Tezos. It went up more than 333%. But we got stopped out there in September 2021. Even though Bitcoin went on to set new all-time highs in November, Tezos kept dumping, and right now it's trading for $1.9. We have seen Tezos rally in the last 6 weeks. It has gone from as low as $1.1 to as high as $1.9. It has gone up more than 60%. Should we start buying it right now? Is the bottom in for Tezos, or are we just setting ourselves up for further downsides to Goblin Town? Because if you look at the previous performance of Tezos in the bear market, from the all-time high, it first dropped 89%, and a lot of people thought the bottom was in right there because that's what altcoins do in the bear market. Then the final flush down to Goblin Town, it went down another 75%. If history will repeat itself and we see Tezos lose another 75% from where we are right now, guys, we might see Tezos getting to the lows we had in December 2018. A lot of altcoins have done that right now, but where Tezos will face significant resistance if we're pumping to the upside, the first level we need Tezos to conveniently pass for us to believe maybe, just maybe, we might see an all-time high in this relief rally is the $3.8 region. That has been a very, very pivotal level for Tezos throughout the years from 2017. One price is above that level, Tezos is very, very bullish, and when price is below that level, Tezos is very, very bearish. When we went below that level in 2018, we couldn't get back there till February 2020. And guys, even when we got back there in February 2020, we sharply got rejected off there. We went back to test that region again in August 2020. It was clearly a fake out. A lot of people bought the fake out thinking, oh yes, Tezos is going to new all-time highs, but Tezos took like 3 more months before it came back to test that region. And in February 2021, when Tezos was testing that region, all coins were going to the moon. But before it got to that region, Tezos was up already more than 1000%. That means you're already up 10x if you bought it at the bottom. Now with all coins, you want to buy them when a lot of people have capitulated. You don't want when everybody's shouting YOLO to the moon. You don't want to be buying it right there. Even in 2021, when the market was tanking, you can see that was the level, that was the line in the sand for us when we dumped Goblin Town in that mini bear market I told you guys we had in 2021. That was the resistance level that Tezos was battling. We couldn't go through there. When we finally broke through there, we went to try to set new all-time highs. Even though we were unsuccessful in that attempt, as we started dumping to Goblin Town, we had to consolidate there for about more than 2 months. And when we couldn't hold that region, we finally dumped again to Goblin Town. So at some point in time, I would expect price to pump to that $3.8 region. Maybe we'll consolidate there again before we continue pumping to maybe $8.4, $8.5, or we'll get rejected off that region and we'll go back to set new lows. If we are setting new lows, guys, another important level you want to watch out for as Tezos is dumping will be this $1.1 level. You can see that this is another important level for Tezos. That's where Tezos found support during the COVID sell-off in 2020. And right now in 2022, that's the exact place Tezos found support. I won't be surprised to see Tezos come back to test this $1.1 level. But as we're pumping to the upside, you want to look out at this $3.8 level. It's very, very important for Tezos. If we can pass that, maybe just maybe we'll start singing Hallelujah and Kumbaya, and then we'll be looking forward to the $8.4 level. Guys, in the last 1 month, Tezos has been pumping really well. We've been happy, but has not been pumping like these other altcoins in the market. We have some altcoins that are up 100, 200%. Some altcoins are up more than 400% in the last 1 month. So should we be selling our Tezos? Before we do that, we have to ask ourselves, how is Tezos performing against Ethereum? How is it performing against Bitcoin? Now, against the number 1 altcoin in the market, Ethereum, Tezos all-time high came in on the 12th of December 2017. Since then, Tezos has not been able to go back to that all-time high against Ethereum. It had a really mad dump, and it dumped more than 82%. It tried to set new all-time highs in 2020. It went to as high as where we were in the all-time high. That's in December 2017. Tezos went up over 372% in 2019, entering 2020, but it was topped out right there. Ethereum started performing better than Tezos, and Tezos started dumping against Ethereum. From that high we set in 2020 for Tezos, it has lost more than 93% of its value for Ethereum. Now, will Tezos set a new all-time high against Ethereum in this bear market? Probably not. History has shown that Tezos only outperformed Ethereum when the market is pumping to the upside. And right now, we are in the crypto bear market. Even Ethereum is down in the trenches. The merge is coming up. Ethereum is pumping. And that's why you're seeing all these altcoins, Tezos included, losing value heavily against Ethereum. Are we going to see a new all-time low for Tezos against Ethereum? Probably. So let's look at how Tezos is performing against Bitcoin, the number 1 asset in the market. Against Bitcoin, Tezos has just been losing value against Bitcoin since 2018 May when it finally topped. We've just been setting lower highs and lower lows. Since then, Tezos has lost more than 92% of its value against Ethereum. All coins are very, very risky in the bear market. You don't want to be holding all coins. They can dump really hard. You can see from that all-time high against Bitcoin that Tezos had in 2018, it just took Tezos 186 days to dump 88%. Even in 2020, when Tezos went to its highest it has been against Bitcoin in 3 years, after that, it dumped another 85% in just 145 days. So guys, you have to be careful with all coins in the bear market. We might probably see a new all-time high for Tezos against Bitcoin. Tezos is at a very, very critical level right now. This level has been holding as support. It looks as if this level is acting as resistance. It looks as if this level is acting as resistance right now. If we cannot go above this level, we might continue dumping to set new all-time lows for Tezos against Bitcoin. Now let's look at some technical details about Tezos. Tezos is currently trading for $1.96. Where can you get some Tezos if you want to get some? You can get some on Binance, on KuCoin, on Coinbase, on Cubo Global, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoin. It's a very, very popular altcoin. Over 382,000 people have Tezos on their watch list. Tezos is ranked 38 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $9.18 and as low as $1.20. It currently has a market cap of $1.7 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $1.8 billion, and Tezos has a maximum supply of 927 million tokens. Guys, What makes Trezor unique? Why should we hold it through the bear market? Trezor is a blockchain network that is based on smart contracts in a way that is not too dissimilar to Ethereum. However, there's a big difference. Trezor aims to offer infrastructure that is more advanced, meaning it can evolve and improve over time without there ever being a danger of a hard fork. This is something that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have suffered since they were created. People that hold Trezor can vote on the proposal for protocols upgrade that have been put forward by Trezor's developers. Guys, let's take a look at Trezor's market cap. It's currently at $1.7 billion. The all-time high for Trezor's market cap came in on the 1st of October 2020 when the market cap went to as high as $7.8 billion. Which is very funny because the price of Trezor did not set an all-time high in October 2020. We barely just got to the previous all-time high. You may be wondering why. Guys, it's because when we had this all-time high in 2017, we didn't have the total number of coins we have right now in circulation. Most of these tokens, when they are launched, some of the tokens will be in circulation, maybe like 10-15%, and later as time goes on, more tokens are added. That's why you can see the market cap setting a new all-time high and the price is not setting a new all-time high. And from that all-time high, the market cap set at $7.8 billion in October 2021. Trezor lost more than 86% of that market cap valuation. It dropped to as low as $1 billion. It found support at $1 billion. Currently at $1.7 billion. Can it go back to $2 billion in this relief rally, or can we even set new all-time highs? And that important resistance level you want to watch out for Trezor's market cap in this relief rally is the $2.5 billion level. From where we are right now, Trezor will need to pump another 43% for us to get to that level. That has been an important level for Trezor market cap. You can see that the market cap of Trezor has reacted to that level quite a number of times in February 2020, in here August 2020, even in March, June, and July 2021, when we were dumping, we had a mini bear market. That was the region that held us down. In 2022, before we dump into Goblin Town, we had a little bounce about that region. So when we get to that region, I will expect a little resistance or maybe some consolidation before we continue to the upside, or we'll get rejected and dumped to the downside. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think the altcoin market will continue rallying, Trezor included? Do you think we're going to pump and see new all-time highs? Or do you think we'll be dumping to Goblin Town? Will you be buying more Trezor right now? Will you be holding your Trezor through the chaos? Or will you be selling, hoping for cheaper prices in the bear market? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.